We're at all-time highs. Not really. We went up like a little bit since. We went up like we're at an intraday high though. We're at an intraday high right now. We got several big pieces of news. Everybody, this is insane. I'm gonna freaking have a heart attack already. I'm already too excited. We've got several pieces of news, guys. We're going green. We're all green right now. Everything is literally the market is just doing amazing right now. For some reason, the market's actually giving us and doing us a favor for once. Microvision is up 12%. Everything is up an insane amount. GameStop, AMC is up 20% now. But we've got big news. We've got big news right now. Now, I don't want to get... okay, now the title may be a show to the moon. All right, that might be a little bit too much, but there is big news. There's several big pieces of news today. We have Vanguard, which we were talking about earlier. Right now, it's being stupid. Right now, my freaking Vanguard.io is being stupid. Somebody tell me what exact freaking percentage it is. Right now, it's being dumb, and it's not having the freaking... a percentage because it's being dumb. Anyways, we have Vanguard, the total market index fund. They now have a total. They actually technically, it looks like this is the first time I'm looking at this. They now have a total of 183,000 shares. The shares change percentage actually went down, so that actually means they just got rid of some shares. But I don't know what. Earlier, the institutional ownership was 15.60%, and then before, like yesterday, it was only 15.42. So it went up this morning, and now we have a filing that is someone selling shares, but now it's not updating to tell us what exactly it is. So somebody tell me if yours is updating. I'm refreshing it right now, and it's not having the percentage change. Maybe they're still calculating it as we're talking, but I'm not sure. Anyways, that's number one. We have other pieces of news as well. We have. Not that. We have this right here. Researchers report reference genome for maize, B chromosomes. Okay, I don't even understand this crap. Basically, where's the date here? Okay, news release. 31 May 2021. Yesterday, my friends. And we have Illumina and Bionano working together. Not really. Okay, this working together, that might be a little bit too much. But their products were working together. If we go down to this paragraph right here, right, the researchers used a well-established set of sequencing and mapping tools, right? So we got Illumina and Bionano. Their products are working together again. And we know that Illumina and Bionano, that is going to be huge. That partnership, we've been talking about acquisitions, partnership, merger, more deals together with Illumina. That's kind of like what a lot of speculation and rumor has been going on. There's been a lot of those rumors going on recently. And this is kind of, I haven't even read this whole thing. I just read a little bit of it. But this is just good news to see that their products are working together. And right now, let's go to the charts right now because we're literally probably... Oh boy, 626 right now, making new intraday highs as I'm ranting. But we can dissect, and we will dissect all of this today, I'm sure, at least in another video, if not in this exact stream, my friends. Tell me when you want me to analyze this. We will read this word for word on stream, my friends. Tell me you only hold BNGO. Yes, hell yes, I only hold BNGO. Yes, I am the king of BNGO, and yes, I only hold BNGO. Yes, I do. This is my only portfolio position. BNGO and BNGO calls. That's it. There's no room for anything else. There's no room for anything else, boys. BNGO and that's it. Nothing else. Screw AMC. All right, to hell with all the AMC people. All right, not really. Not really. AMC is fine, but BNGO, long-term, the AMC boys are going to wish they invested in Bionano right now, in my opinion. Anything can happen, but that is what's going to happen. 99% of my opinion, boys. Anyways, Inflation K, please, if you're one of those people that's like, oh, Bionano is so good, now it's green, let's invest FOMO in. Watch the video I did yesterday. Watch the possible bear case, okay? I don't want you coming to me tomorrow if we're red 5% and be like, Brandon, I don't want that. I don't have time to deal with that crap. Anyways, 5 to 550. Okay, so let me refresh here. So you're saying it says 15.6. Okay, there we go. Now it did just now. 15.6. So this is very weird. Did I read this wrong? Basically, we have no. Okay, we have a new one. What the hell? We have a new what? Hold on, let me refresh this again. We have like 3 new filings here. Okay, it looks like they just updated it in. Okay, let me zoom in here so I can actually see. So there's the total stock market fund. Okay, wow, they had this completely wrong, and they just changed this. Did you guys just see that? They just had this wrong. They had a minus minus in the shares change percentage column for one of these. I forgot which one exactly. But anyways, now they have them adding. Now. Okay, so we have a new position with 176,000 shares added, and these are, of course, the file date is not indicative of the transaction date, but we also have, look at the shares change percentage, 60% increase, 81% increase, 25% increase. Basically, what this means, look at a 25% increase. So if you divide 6 million by 4, what is that? 6 million by 4. I don't know. It's like a couple million shares they just added, right? Because 25% of their shares changed up, like green, right? They're adding. So this is good. This is good. I don't have the exact numbers on you right now because this is the first time I'm seeing this info, but this is good. But at the same time, it's like, well, look at the freaking fund, right? It's Vanguard's total stock market index fund. So it's like, well, you know, we would rather have an index that's trying to beat the market, invest in Bionano, as opposed to Vanguard Total Market Index Fund. But still, we'll take it. We'll take it, man. We're at 624 right now. We need to hold above $6 flat easily. I mean, it looks like we should do that easily right now. We need to do that at least, though. We need to hold above that. And the level to watch today, if the markets give us a chance, the day is going to be this. This is going to be the most important thing for the day, right? Oh man, we have two beautiful hammer candles right there. Anyways, 641 on the Supertrend on the daily. That's what we need to break out of to get an insane bullish sweet green candles coming up in the next few days, my friends. That's what we need. 641. We need to break out and hold above 641 to get the super trend flip to bullish on the daily time frame, my friends. Oh man. Oh yeah, no, heck no, I'm not in anything else. Bionano's 100% of the portfolio, boys. 100%. Oh, I love doing this freaking drawing crap. I don't know. All right, anyways. All right, 7,000 shares just bought at 625. Let me look at level 2 here. All right, so looking at level 2, we only have an 11K BIOL at $6 flat, and we need that to actually be higher. I know it's like, well, Brandon, we've got freaking 15K at 620. I know. I don't care. I want a 100K BIOL at all times at $6 flat, and at the closest to a whole number lower, right? If that makes any sense. Anyways, right now, we're testing the intraday high right now, 626. Looking at the short-term indicators, let me look at the SAR here. Let me look at the moving averages. Actually, let me look at the Bollingers. We have room to run. We have room to run on all time frames. I mean, if we look at the daily RSI, you know, if you're wondering, dude, this is too far too fast. No, my friend. 54 on the relative strength index. We've got plenty of time, plenty of room to go. Plenty of room to go. Is this a good entry point in Bionano right now? Is this a good entry point though, right? It's like, well, Brandon, I like the tech. It's a little bit intriguing. I read some of your due diligence, but I don't have the brain power to read all this freaking 104-page document. Firstly, to that, I would just say read the freaking tool and then focus. This is linked in every single description, including this video right now. This document is available for viewing, my friends. That is your due diligence, and that is why my position, why my portfolio is 100% in Bionano, nothing else. Screw everything else. To hell with all the other stuff, okay? Bionano to the moon, everything else, screw everything else, man. Not really, but kind of. But yeah, essentially. Anyways, is this a good time to buy into Bionano? It's a great long-term entry point. Anything under $10 is a long-term steal. It's anything under 10 is a steal long-term. Is this a good short-term entry point? Well, one indicator I would want you to be aware of if you're buying in right now is this one right here. We're about to get the bearish cross right on this indicator, on this oscillator here. So that's something to be. That's the one scary indicator. Other than that, we have pretty much everything you want. The SAR is bullish. We are above the 21-day SMA. 4 hourly, we're looking beautiful. I think last I checked this. Oh, no, never mind. The 4 hourly, we just got the SAR flipped to bearish. Damn, that sucks actually. But we're still bullish on the green, right? So it's 50-50. So we still got room to run. And actually, screw the technicals. If you're looking for an entry point in the stock, look at the fundamentals. My friends, we just got crazy news today. Okay, we have institutional ownership added. We have a lot of institutional ownership. I mean, take it for what it is, right? It's Vanguard Total Index Fund, right? It's like, well, really? Yeah, whatever. Take it for what it is, right? We have millions of shares being added, filed on today. Now, remember, file day is not indicative of the transaction day. We also have Illumina, not that. I keep doing that. Illumina and Bionano's products being used together, right? And we've been talking, and there's been rumors, boys. There's been rumors about Illumina and Bionano working together, some sort of partnership, some sort of deal. There's not a lot of evidence to say this, but there is some reasoning to it. And I can go on the rant for you if you want today. Anyways, this article just got released yesterday, and this is basically some sort of Chinese Academy of Sciences headquarters, right? They are using Illumina sequencing and Bionano optical mapping together to, I don't even know what they're doing. I haven't even read this whole article yet. Okay, I literally just saw this right before we started streaming. After I ate and all my other crap that I did, literally I saw Bionano green. I was like, all right, let's go. Let's schedule the stream. And now here we are, right? So let me know if there's any news that I'm missing. But right now, and we also have this thing that someone sent, Christopher Hart, the legend Christopher Hart sent me it. There's no mention of Bionano in this other article, but this came out yesterday and it's about cancer. It actually is kind of relevant to Bionano, but anyways, you guys don't want to hear me rant about this. That's too esoteric. Anyways, let's get back to the charts. Looking at the markets, right? Looking at the markets and how likely it is for us to actually continue this push today, right? How likely is it that we close the day here What are we looking for? Well, 641 is the level that you want to look for today. Bionano needs to hit, needs to close above 641, boys. That is the level. Damn, a lot of selling coming in right here. A lot of selling coming in. It's all right. We got walls. We have, look at this freaking, look at that level 2 data, all right? You guys are welcome to the level 2 data, by the way. It's not free. I mean, technically it is free, but not actually. I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, it costs money to get, but I have it free right now at least. Anyways, yeah, look at that level 2 data. The bulls have a slight advantage, I would say. Actually, you know what? Maybe barely. But macroscopically, the bears have the advantage because we have fake walls. You want all my beginner traders in here wondering what fake walls are? This is what they are right here. Or at least most likely. Okay, 650, 22K to be sold at 650. Really? I don't believe this. I don't believe these are fake walls. There's no way people are actually selling these many shares. There's no way. I don't believe it. Not after all the fundamental increases in value of the company. We've got China Sapphire adoption. We've got CFO adding 25K shares last week. We've got 2 insanely bullish discounted cash flow models. One from Ragnaros the Legend. I have a whole video on that, like 30 minutes long. We also have an analyst that did the same thing, and basically he came out with similarly bullish numbers. He was bullish as well. Anyways, great news, and stock price goes down, right? We're barely up today with the markets going crazy, right? I mean, the Russell's up 1% right now. Do you understand how crazy this is that Bionano's only up 1%? Microvision's up 12%. Most of high growth is doing well. JAGX is up 15%. SOS is up 8%. MARA is doing well. SENS is running. CTXR, AMC, obviously AMC is sucking the volume out of everyone. Dude, sell your AMC, come into Bionano. Come to the dark side. Come to the dark side, my friend. Should Bionano be the dark side? Are we the dark side or should we be the Jedi? Are we the Jedi or the Sith? I don't care. I'll do either. Both of them are good for me. I'm good with both of them. Is this a BNGO only channel? I didn't think BNGO had such a following. It does. It does have a following, my friend. This is it. I mark my words. This channel, I mean, who the hell knows what this is going to have? But if this channel gets popular, BNGO, the interest in knowledge and stock price are going to increase because of this channel. I swear to God. Because no one else, and this sounds arrogant, but it's just true. Okay, I say it every video. And for the new viewers, this is why I'm saying it now. This document, that is why. No one else has this. It's an easy to read format. There's 2 long didn't focus sections on almost every single one, right? 2 long didn't focus, ape language, 104 pages. And like there is some copy and paste like quotes, but this is just hard work, right? I mean, I've been doing this. I mean, this is what, months in the making now, like 3 months in the making, technically, right? So yeah, it's not a BNGO only channel, but it kind of is. It kind of is, right? We go over all stocks, but BNGO is the best. So yes, plus BNGO is the only thing that gets the most views, but it is. But I'm the most bullish on BNGO, so it works out. Oh, no, I forgot my water. Oh, no, I'm going to have to run outside and get my water pretty soon. Damn. I should probably do that now while we don't have many viewers. You know what? Screw it. Dude, screw my voice. Let's just continue yelling. I don't need water. I'll get water later if my voice is hurting. I'm not about to leave you guys when BNGO is at intraday highs. No, I'm not about to do that. I'm not about to do that. I can't do that. All right, taking a look at the level 2 data. 4,000 shares just sold at 624. I don't like to see that. We are the dark side. Feel the rage, use the power of the dark side. I feel your anger, but you don't use them. Your anger and your hate, you don't use them. Do it. Damn, beautiful the way BNGO rallied today. Yes, it is. That's nice V-shaped recovery. And I really thought, and it would have been really nice to see this. It would have been nice if we actually got rejected at the previous intraday high at 622 and then formed a nice handle and then got that breakout. And then the price target would be like close to $7. But now we're just busting through, which is fine, right? I mean, at the end of the day, we are fundamentally valued over $10. If the NASDAQ does us any favors, we're going to $10 pretty damn soon, in my opinion. Don't take that the wrong way, though. Please know the risk. But yeah, you get what I mean. Tom Bordy, thank you so much, my friend. All right, what do we got? Hydrate, but it's important. Yeah, I probably should go do that. Get the water. Okay, should I go get the water? Should I get the water, boys? I'm only going to do it if you guys say, because I feel bad. Because we're at intraday high right now almost. We're at intraday high right now. What am I going to do? I feel bad. Oh, damn. I forgot to put the stream on low latency again. Oh, my gosh. I want it to be like less delay. Now we have like 10-second delay. Whatever, it's fine. All the other YouTubers do it. They don't care. All right. Let's see. Do we have any other news to go over, actually? I was looking at this. This is about this document right here. This is the Maxim Group Equity Research Price Order Change, whatever. These guys, apparently there was the nano nozzle news in here, and I have not found it. I controlled F some stuff, and I can't find anything. So, anyways, let's refresh this. Let's refresh the BNGO Twitter, see if we have any new news to cover. But this is good stuff. And we can actually go over this. Tell me when you guys want me to go over the freaking esoteric science articles here that we have here, right? So just go get it. Let's see what your lamp does. Trey's lamp has had Over 11,000 viewers all day. Oh man. Yes, before power hour. All right. I'm gonna get the water real quick. All right, hold on. I'm gonna go get the water real quick. All right. I'm gonna be back, boys. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go run and get the water. All right, 1 second. I'm gonna run. Oh. We got the water, boys. I'm tired now. I'm tired. Now you're going to make me tired for the next 5 minutes. I'm not gonna be able to breathe. All right, here we go. All right, let's chug that water real quick so my voice doesn't hurt. Here we go. To the moon. To the moon. Here we go. It's time to moon my lamp. What is the lamp deal? I don't even understand. What did Vanguard add shares? Yes, they did. Not really, though. Not really. Basically, we have Vanguard's total market funds, extended markets, blah, blah, yada, yada, right? They did add some shares, and it did equal a 0.08% increase in institutional ownership overall. And this is actually exactly what we called earlier, right? Remember I was saying in the earlier stream? It was 15.6%, but because I check the institutional ownership literally like every freaking second of every day, and then I don't have a life, I just check this literally every day for your convenience, it was 15.52% yesterday, so it's a 0.08% increase, but they didn't have the filings up to date. Now they finally do, and this is what they are. And if you look at the shares changed here, you can actually figure out exactly how many shares they added if you look at the percentage right here, right? This is what you actually look at. 176,000 shares added right here. And I guess it doesn't matter what the exact amount here is because basically out of a, 1.8, 1.7 billion market cap, 0.08% just got added today by institutions, if that makes sense. So yeah, I don't know what exactly that comes out to be, but hundreds of thousands of shares easily. Probably, actually, no, I think it was a couple million shares, actually, because if you take 25% of this, or at least like something like 25% of that, it's, yeah. And look at this, 81% of this was added today, right? Shares change percentages, 81% of these shares were added right now today. 626 right now, intraday high right now. 5,000 shares sold at 625. No. If you're selling right now, you have chosen death. I'm going to hunt you down. I'm hunting you down. I'm like the freaking, what's his name, Saruman. I'm like I'm in Isengard. I'm going to hunt you down. Actually, no, they actually lose. He gets killed. I'm Aragon. Never mind. Can I be Aragon? Oh, man. BNGO with fire. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, man. Rip to everyone that was selling in the open today. And I know, and today's stream, and this is largely probably because of what I said yesterday with all the disclaimers that I gave. But what do you call it? Yeah, when we're down like that, you can't worry about that short term if you're down or up. Even when we're up right now, right? Like it's all exciting, we're going to the moon now, clickbait title kind of, right? We're going to the moon. It's all fun, but at the end of the day, you have to realize long term, midterm even, none of this crap matters. At the core level, your own research and the subtle details and all the articles that you go over and all the news releases and the SEC filings, that is, and your product analysis and your revenue analysis, all this crap, that's what it is. That's what's going to determine whether you make money or not. At least that's what I think. Anyways, but yeah, 626, man. Here we go. Here we go, boys. Did anyone else add today? Who added today at $6? I added 20 shares. You guys saw that. I'm not bragging. I'm just saying. Who else added in the morning today? This headline-only article is meant to show you why a stock is moving. Bionano Genomics option alert. Now, November 19th, $7 calls at the ask. 200 at 149 versus reference one. I can't even see that. 5973. Sorry, my eyes don't work sometimes. Robbie was getting so excited to join this live stream, but then he closed this laptop and cried instead. That's so true. I added 620 at 590. Nice job. That's really good. I wish I could add 260 right now. That's like the max amount of shares that I can buy right now, man. Yeah, 321 is the max amount of shares I can buy right now in total. I only added 20, added 500. That's awesome. Troy, 10 shares. Hell yes. Hell yes. I love it. I love it, man. Hey, for a 5K share, whoa, 5K shares. Nice. Is that what you have, or is that what you added? Out of dry powder, man. Hey, if you guys are out of dry powder, or if you guys are adding on the dip today, you need to understand. I'm going to give you a quick disc. I'm going to make this spiel quick. If you're not willing to be down short term, maybe because of the markets or because of stupidity in the stock price and the people who invest in Bionano, sell now and save me the whining. Okay, I'm telling you guys, we could see $4 before we see 15 and before our long-term synthesis gets proved right, if it's going to. I'm telling you. So Please, what I don't want to happen is another Robbie situation where we go down to $5 or $4 or whatever it is again, and then everyone's like, "Oh no, you're way wrong on your idea." No. We're not going to know. I mean, so far the company keeps proving right what we've been saying with these new articles. Seeing the analysts, the dumb monkey analysts that bang their heads on each other's faces every day, every second of every day, even them realizing that the revenue is going to increase to crazy amounts in the next few years and in the years to come. It's very validating of my own research. It's very nice to see some analysts agree with what my original synthesis is. And what I mean exactly by that here, let me show you the exact article that I'm actually talking about. Right? If we go to miscellaneous, we go down here. Right here. This is the Seeking Alpha one. Yeah, this one is actually really good. This is actually one of the better articles I've ever seen on Bionano ever. Period. Now, some of what he says is just absolute crap. He doesn't mention Sapphire 2.0, I don't think, at all. He doesn't mention nanonozzle at all or sequencing at all. And he misses a lot of things here. The 5 large clinical studies. At the CFO insider transactions extremely bullish. He doesn't mention any of this stuff, but still, he comes to the same conclusion. We're going to be making a ton of money in the coming years. And it doesn't matter what happens now with the short-term inflation. This company is going to outperform pretty much everything in the genomic space if these numbers are even close to being true. So, I mean, that kind of tells you how auspicious it is right now to invest. That's just how it is. So, make your own decision, though. Make your own decision in the markets, guys. I'm telling you. 13K shares added. That's awesome. How many did you add? Did you say 5K? I added 1, lol. 1. That's better than nothing, my friend. Salute to you. Well done, my friend. Well done. Added at $5.95. You did better than me. I added at $6. You did better than me. Good job. Holding 70,000 at average 916. Holding strong. Lost quite a bit. Damn, man. All right. Well, that's salute to you for doing your due diligence and having your conviction. Well done. Last I added was 2K shares at 548, holding 30K shares with $3 average. 2K shares at 548. Nice job. $3 average. God, I envy you. I envy your average, my friend. Well done. Well done on that. I wish I could have got in. I wish I would have been in. I wish I would have loaded the boat the first time I invested in Bionano. I wish I would have loaded, man. I mean, who doesn't in hindsight? I'm still bearish on this short term. 741 buying average at 6,000 shares. I'm wrecked. And you're not wrecked necessarily. You got to average down over time. Average down over time. Average down over time. If you're bullish and if you share the same mindset as I do. You're still bearish on the short term. Why? The only indicator that's a little bit bearish, and actually we're getting the bullish cross right now. We're actually getting the bullish cross. Well, that's the 5-minute. Oh man, that was funny. That was the 5-minute chart. But yeah, the only bearish indicator really is this one right here. We're about to get the bearish cross. And this indicator is very rarely wrong, right? Let's look at the past. So, but we're still in bullish territory right now, and we have a ton. And here's the thing: if you want to trade a short term, that's fine. Guess what? You're gonna miss out on profits because this is why. Okay, I think at least this is what I think. Okay, right now the people who bought in, the people who are in Bionano right now, they bought like right here, right? It went up it went to 1569. Everyone could have sold. Everyone wishes they sold and bought back lower. It didn't. It came back down, and right now, it's near our cost basis right now. If you have a long-term outlook, this is what's in store, right? Figuratively, right? If this was the stock right now, this is what it's going to be in 5 years and 1 year and whatever, okay? $2 billion in profit in 2030 alone. Do you let that sink in? $2 billion in profit alone. We're going to go to the moon, boys. We're going to the moon long-term. I swear, 99% chance. That's a little bit too strong, maybe. But you get what I mean. All right, you get what I mean, boys. 625 right now. Let me check the level 2 data. It's looking pretty even. Bears have a small advantage. I'm telling you, some of these are fake walls. I swear, some of these are fake walls, man. Look at this crap. Look at this crap in here. Who is trying to sell 22K at 650? Oh man, these people, these Bionano, the people that trade Bionano, man. If anyone who's just getting in right now, right, we have institutional ownership added. We have, 0.08% increase in institutional ownership overall. Nothing new on the Twitter, as I know right now. Let's go ahead and update this. That'd be awesome if they just did something new right now. Probably not. Nope. Anyways, we have this article right here that actually no one caught yesterday, which is really interesting. It looks very obscure. So thank you for the person who sent me this if you're out there right now. I forgot your name off the top of my head, but I'm going to give you a shout out. At some point, and I'm going to send you an email reply. Thank you. But anyways, this is one right here, right? This is Illumina and Bionano being used in a little study here by the Chinese Academy of Sciences headquarters, right? The researchers use a well-established set of sequencing, right? So look at this, well-established set of sequencing and mapping tool, right? What's your well-established set of sequencing and mapping tools? What's your well-established mapping tool set? Bionano, because there's no other competition. We have a monopoly in optical genome mapping, essentially, and soon to be a monopoly on the entire genomic sector if nanonozzle is coming out, and the SMV detection is going to be for real. Anyways. All right. As a moron, may I ask a bit of a stupid question? If this stock's revenue $2 million, if this stock's revenue was $2 billion, what kind of range would that place it in the stop price? Well, here, that's a good question. All right, so basically, I'm going to rearrange it a little bit to give a better answer. So basically, if Ragnaros's projections in revenue are right, his discounted cash flow model, if we were to make $2 billion or $1.8 billion in 2030 alone, I don't know the calculation exactly because I'm stupid and I can't do math, but essentially, it would at least 50x. There's no doubt. It would probably 150x. And basically, my calculation that someone said, and someone fact check me on this, please. 150x from the current price would be what we would do. 150x. And somebody tell me 156x. Sorry, 156x from the current price. Somebody tell me in percentage what that would be because I'm stupid and I can't do that. So that I hope that answers your question a little bit, right? I don't know the exact percentage because I can't do math, but yeah. All right, I think we'll go to $8 max short term. I don't think we will moon. I don't think we will be in double digits anytime soon. You could be easily right. Yeah, you could definitely be right. That could happen. Here's the thing: mooning is going. The only way we moon, like see above $10 short term, I would say, is if either we get an interest instigation catalyst, which would basically, you guys know what that is, right? I've said that 1,000 times. Or if the PR comes and the company actually does some PR, which could happen anytime. Or number 3, nothing happens and the revenue just keeps getting amazing and the earnings, we go up 50% off earnings. That can definitely happen. Last earnings, we went up 22% for all the people like, 51% in. BNGO is the number 1 stock to day trade while high. What? Oh, man. 930, okay, we're getting different calculations here. We're getting different calculations. That's not good. That's not good. Someone must be wrong. Oh, man. That's too funny. Looking at the level 2, there's nothing on the time and sales. 2,000 shares bought at 623. Bleeding a little bit short term. Is the markets doing this to us? No, it is not. The Russell is still going up. Man, the Russell's doing well. And the Nasdaq's coming roaring back. Wow. I'll be fine if we close the day here. I'm happy if we close the day here. Okay, no Lambo. All my money is invested in the stock market. Nobody should be upset with an average below $8 to $10. I understand the frustration, but hey, that's the power of averaging down. Everyone has had the chance to average down. If you've been keeping up with the channel, I mean, you know what I say, Kate. You know what I've been saying for a while. You know, buy. Essentially, buy, always, never sell. But not actually. If there's a new viewer, like economically speaking, what's his name, thinking that I actually YOLO in or whatever, I encourage YOLOing in. No. Do your own research. Yes, you guys know the spiel. But yeah, this is a long term. You're getting a steal right now. But inflation can easily send this stock to $4 again. So that's the thing. It's like, well, are you willing to hold? Oh no. That is not good. We have 32K shares being sold at 621. Why are you selling 32,000 shares at 621? It could go down short term. It could. But is it worth the risk to bet against Bionano? I say no with that much money, at least if that's like a lot of your position or most of your position. I say no because we're going to get a return to the good old days. That's what I think, at least. That's what I think. And the short-term traders are going to lose a lot of money or miss. They're going to miss out on a lot of money, in my opinion. And anything can happen, though. I mean, hell, it could be a year before we see that. It's short. I mean, I don't think I think the revenue increases are not going to be. You're not going to be able to ignore the revenue increases in the earnings reports. So I think we'll see a consistent climb. Like I think each earnings we're gonna close the day after earnings, next trading day after earnings, higher than we did the previous one. Are you kidding me? Another 14,000 sold at 620. Wow, these people. I never understand these people, man. I'm not even gonna do the rant. I'm not even gonna do it. Oh, all right. We need volume. Yes, we do. We do need volume. We have none. We have no volume. There's nothing different. This is the same thing every day. We have more volume than Nano Dimension, but we're barely on track. We're not even on track to meet the 3-month average volume. Oh, gosh. Dang it, man. I'm going to go crazy one of these days. We shall barcode to victory. Yes, we will. Look at that beautiful barcoding on the 1 minute chart. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. Another 16K sold. What the hell is going on? Who is selling these shares? I want to know the addresses of these people who sell shares. Like, can you give me those shares? I'll take them for free. Are your Twitter DMs open, Brandon? I wanted to send you a meme, and I think they are. Yeah, you should be able to just send me it. Yeah. Yep. I don't have any followers on Twitter or anywhere, so yeah, you won't have a problem getting a response from me, probably. All right, 622 right now. God, 16K shares sold. Dumbasses. All right, Golden Cross on the hourly. Let's see. Not really. What moving averages are you looking at? Just depends on what moving averages you're looking at, right? There's 1,000 golden crosses you can go through, which is why it's kind of arbitrary just to look at every different indicator on the. I don't know. It's fine. It's fine if you think that. I mean, yeah, we could. Not with my moving averages though. I use weird moving averages, so. But yeah. Look at that. Wait, do I have a price target right there? Wait, what the heck? What is this thing? Look at that. We basically perfectly hit the 21-day EMA. That's crazy. Our low on the day was what? 588 and the 21 EMA was at 585. That's crazy. That's really crazy. That's really weird. And I like that. And here's the reason why that's so big. Because throughout the entire downtrend, that has acted as a level of significant resistance and a signal as you know, we're in a downtrend. We finally broken out and confirmed it as a new support. So crazy. Crazily bullish, right? All right. They're trying to scare and push down before power hour. Yes, they are. Yep. That's what they do. We do have manipulation. Remember, guys, there is still like a 99% chance, at least in my mind. You make your own decision on this, but I think there's still like a 99% chance manipulation is still going on in the stop price. It still is. I mean, there still is. I will think there is not manipulation when we see a reaction from the great news that we get. So, and also I think that the manipulation will chill out, and I think the manipulation is not big enough. Its effect is not big enough to trump the volume increases that we're going to inevitably have. We will definitely have them eventually. So. I'm not selling any shares, holding long. People will kick themselves when this takes off. I know the day will come, and we've experienced this. If you've been with the channel for a couple weeks, I know Sharon, I know a lot of you have, right? When we had May 13th, when it was May 13th, everybody hated the stock. No one wants to trade it. Oh, it's the worst thing ever. The tech is pointless. When we're up 22% the next day, everyone loves it. And it's like, oh my gosh, why didn't I buy? And the problem with this is that when you short-term trade this stuff, if you don't do your due diligence, you don't know what the hell you're doing. You're just gambling a little bit, at least a little bit. Most of what you're doing is gambling, honestly. Get a low entry point. Lower your cost basis to as low as you can get it. Hold for the ride. Sell a little bit on the rips. Buy a little bit on the dips if you want. Fine, I do that sometimes, but I'm not trying to help the manipulators at all by selling any shares. Look at that. I'm finally in the 1,600 range. I didn't even realize that. I now have 1,600 shares. I only added 20 today, but yeah. Anyways, that looks cooler than 1,500, doesn't it? Use a dark side to the moon. No. I'm not going to be Anakin. No, when you say that, I think of Anakin trying to save Padme and failing. So, but yeah, I am still a dark side. Yeah, all right. 3,500 shares bought at 621. I'm fine with the dark side. All right. Can you see where the breakout on Nano Dimension is right now, Brandon, or breakdown as it may be? Sure. We can take a look at Nano Dimension right now. Okay, yeah, you're getting a support level right now. This isn't looking bad. And let me go back here and make sure the support is validated. I think you will be having a little bit of support, at least right at around $7 flat. I mean, you do have a 24K buy wall as well right there. Man, this level 2 data and the time and sales this looks almost as depressing as Bionano's does. Almost does. Hey, go get. Oh no, I already got my water. I ran out. I was back in like 10 seconds. All right. Let's see. I'm not it's not letting me DM you. I don't know why. You can email me. Check the description for my email if it's not working. I don't know why. It should be working. I don't know. All right, I'll try to change it. Maybe it is. I don't know. Anyways, let's see. There's nothing else really going on right now. Let me check the other stocks. All right, let's check AMC. We need to close the day above 641, preferably, right? We have 1 hour. If we can get a push in power hour, the markets get a nice push in power hour, dude, it could be very bullish for tomorrow in the next couple weeks if we get the bullish Supertrend flip. But of course, NASDAQ gaps down tomorrow, inflation fears start coming in, it's all over. We're going to see $4 again easily. So, all right. Use a dark side to moon. The Sith, no patience. Oh, man. I love it. I love it. Should we do? Are we more of a? Are there more Star Wars or Lord of the Rings fans here? Ooh, which one? Which one? Which one? Choose wisely. Choose wisely, my friends. All right, 5-minute chart for AMC. Wow, they are doing very nice. What are you up right now? 22% for AMC. Wow. Look at the R. Let's see what the RSI is now. It's like 90 something, right? It's 88. Man, this is insane. This is insane. The Bollinger Band is not looking bad though. It's still going way up. Yeah, you see earlier. Yeah, if you go above $32, about in the 33.70 range, that's your sell signal based on the Bollinger Band for AMC. All right, GameStop doing well. Let me check Bitcoin. Is this thing ever gonna move? I literally just go down or go up. Like, all right, just go up so you can not get my hopes up. But if you're gonna go down, do it now so I can actually trade you. Lord of the Rings, yes. Yes, yes, yes. And this is where I go check on my portfolio. Probably looking pretty good if you added on Bionano on the dips in the last few weeks. I hope you did. Congratulations to everyone who's adding on the dips at $6 and below today, by the way. Congratulations to everyone. And please sell now if you don't know what you're doing. Please take your profits now if you are not willing to hold and be red again. Potentially. Anything can happen in the markets. Remember that. And remember, we are in a very scary time in the markets. Everybody needs to have a little bit of buying power on, pretty much no matter what you're in. You need to have a little bit. I think pretty much mostly everyone needs to have some buying power at least. The stock got hit hard and way oversold. I don't think inflation will impact that bad. I don't see I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm just going to call that the oscillator. I do like the indicator though. This indicator right here, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I actually do like the indicator a lot. Going lower than 5. I don't see the going lower than 5 ever again. Bitcoin will never move. I need Doge to go up. Bro, could you create a world map and mark all Sapphire cells in 2021? Oh, man, I think Brennan might be a better option for that. But I think they pretty much, well, they kind of have that. If you go to, here, let me go to, I can do this if you want or not. I don't have to do this. It's kind of boring. But if you go to the webcast or the earnings report webcast here, you can find that some of the countries that they actually got into. And obviously we have we have installations in Germany. We have China Sapphire adoption. Then we have another installation in somewhere that I'm forgetting recently. What was the other installation we got? Not the Germany one, not the Sapphire China contract. What was the other installation we got? I know there was one in Germany. What was the other one? I forgot. Somebody tell me. I think Coinbase will have Doge on the 9th. I added 2K shares at 590 earlier today. Well done. Well done. That's a better entry point than I got. I added at $6 flat. So I didn't think we were breaking $6. I'm still very perplexed. This is one reason why I think manipulation is going on. Like, it's just so weird. We break $6. We go down for a little bit. Then we just come right back. It's like this level is not even that strong level. It's not that strong of a support level. It's like, what? Africa. Well, no, okay, yeah, I know Africa. Okay, Belgium. No, Belgium is it. Belgium is it. Yeah, no, I already know Africa and NHS. Those ones were last quarter. Those were 2 quarters ago. No. Those were first quarter. We're now in second quarter. Yeah, NHS and Africa, those were a while ago. Belgium. Did we get Norway as well? Was that a recent one? I think Belgium. I think that was the one that was like a couple weeks ago. And then did we get Norway? Belgium, Norway. That's not the. Is that the? I don't know. Your Twitter DMs are officially off. Really? Well, I don't even... Okay, I'll change them after this. Sorry, my friend. Email me if you want. Sorry. Or the Discord or the Reddit. I mean, whatever you want. Anyway, sorry, though. If I had not made big average down buys in the 6s, 5s, and 4s, I would be at 1071 cost. Same. Exact same. That's why the power of averaging down, man. The power of knowing the research that you've done and doing good due diligence and having that buying power to add on. It's powerful. It's powerful. I know it because a lot of you were red with me on the way down, and since we've averaged down so much, we're now in the green. So hell yes, hell yes. All right, I sent you a document from Norway on what? On what? On Discord. Okay, thank you for telling me. It's not here, man. It's not there. I don't see it. All right, news. Oh, here we go. Thank you. Okay. Oh, yeah, this thing. Yeah, I think I gave this a read. This, I forgot what the problem was. I think the date. Hold on 1 second. Sorry. Yeah, dude, look at the date here. Look at the date. Look at this. Look at this. 2020. 2020, man. Not a simple mistake, I understand, but if Norway gets Sapphire, all countries, actually page 14, but great read. Yeah, so unless I'm misunderstanding something, I think this was, it looks like this was a while ago, man. All right, the Daily Hammer is a beauty. Yeah, along with the, what do you call it? Along with the memes here. Oh, 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 that's a thumbnail. Can I use it? I guess you're. Do I here? Before I save this as a file, make sure. That is the best thing I've ever seen. I'm pinning this. I'm pinning this comment. Oh man, that's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. I love that. Look at that. BNGO, Simon, Robbie Smith, Dr. Pepper, Pat B. You know it's a legend that did this. Who's the person who made this meme? I want to go up and say the name. I sent you down Marcus. Marcus, my friend, the legend himself. Is that I think you're the one who sent me this. That is the best thing and I know you've been around the channel for a while if you know Robbie Smith and Dr. Pepper, man. That's awesome. That's absolutely awesome. Can I use this? I'll use it as a I would call the university and ask, is the other part of the news recent then? Is that what you're saying? Page 14. I don't know if it says Bionano in here, though. I'm not seeing Bionano. No Bionano, no BNGO, no optical mapping. What about Sapphire? Nothing. What the heck? There's nothing. I mean, it's so good. It's so good. Come on, can I use this? Can I get permission to use this? I assume yes, but yeah. Didn't we have an adoption in Ireland as well? I don't remember. I don't know exactly. I should know that, but I don't. I don't know off the top of my head. They had the plan of doing it, so if the date was June. That's so awesome, though. Oh, man. This is Simon Barnett for anyone who's new. Yes? Okay, cool. Cool. Let's go. Oh, unable to save? Okay, I'm going to have to do it the old way. Gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Marcus's awesome thumbnail. I love it. I love it, man. OGM. Oh. We have one, but it doesn't say where. Optical genome mapping, it is there. Whatever, this isn't that big of a deal. Okay, there we go. Now it's here. Well, I literally did this earlier and it didn't pick up. What the hell? Okay, anyways, all right, here we go. Now I can see now. Sorry, my friend. Okay, so additional long-range protocols and if possible, optical mapping at the chromosome level. The standard protocols may change over time, and there may be species unable to sequence with the standard evidence-based practices approaches. Genome assembly will be at all times carried out with the state-of-the-art methods. I like that. That's not necessarily, I don't know if that's necessary. I mean, it probably is. Yeah, I would say this probably is Bionano, because when you say optical mapping, it's just factually that we are the golden standard of optical mapping. No one else is close to us. So yeah, this could be good. This could be good. But my friend, what do you have to say with the date, though? Belfast, if I recall correctly, the hobbyist. I love that name, by the way. That's an awesome name. But yeah, that's interesting. That's interesting. But here's the thing, my friend Marcus, what do you say about the date? Because we went over the date here, and it says it's 2020, June 15, 2020. So it's like, well, I mean, what did you say? Did you rebuttal that? I don't understand. I'm not picking, but I'm trying to understand. I don't understand. Oh man, that's so good. That's so good. Don't think we'll hit $12 by the end of the year. Okay, then we got a bear maybe. Well, not really bearish necessarily, but you'll call. Norway takes time. Okay, I believe you. I mean, the Sapphire adoptions are going to come. There's no doubt in my mind. We already have the China Sapphire adoption coming in. We have installations coming in. 150 projected by the end of the year. That equates about $6.5 million in revenue. Probably higher than that, given the recent estimations that are higher than 150K per Sapphire. Does anyone know exactly, for sure, how much one Sapphire system costs? Because a lot of people have said 150,000, but then the other most recent article said 170,000, 75,000. And of course, there's different variations, but if you just get the normal Sapphire, I think it's 150K. That's what I was under the pressure. To my understanding, that's what it was, but I could be wrong. And that changes the revenue a lot. That changes the revenue a lot. 175K, that's a big difference. All right. Doctor, yes. Yes, Sharon, we did see that. Yeah, that was what they posted to their Twitter in the morning. We did cover that live on stream. Yes, ma'am. Yep, it was good, and I like to see this. This is what we want to see here. This is something that's important. The what do you call it? Here, let me go down here. Okay, 100% concordance, right? So 100% at the same. It detects the exact same things that the previous findings from the three standard cytogenetic methods, right? These three horrible methods right here. The devil. This is basically the devil. This is Satan himself, right? This is literally, these methods are horrible, right? But in these complex cases, it finds more complexity than standard methods could and more closely represents the actual structure of the cancer genome than current methods, right? We're gonna replace these things. And to my knowledge, from my point of view, there's no reason why we are not going to replace all three of these in every single serious and competent cytogenetic lab there is. And there's 2,500 of them worldwide, according to the CEO, right? So, all right, 623 right now. Power Hour wants to see BNGO break above 635. We need to break above 641. For anyone just getting in right now, 641 is the level to watch. 641 is what we need to break and hold above to get the Supertrend daily flip to bullish, right? That's what we need. That is what we need. Acting like a real bear in the Discord. I might have to add Muhammad to the meme. Well, I mean, I don't know. If we hit $10 in a year, yeah, that's not what we want. We want $20. But at the end of the day, okay, am I gonna be complaining if we only hit $10 in a year? Honestly, not really, because I would be nearly 100% up. But of course, I think it would take something probably pretty crazy to hit $12 instead of 20 or 15 even by the end of the year, in my opinion. I mean, if things go as they're looking right now, we're probably going to be doing very well. And $12 price start is fine for the end of the year. 6 months end of the year, I'll take $10. I'll take $12. I mean, obviously we want higher than that. I expect higher than that personally. Likely case $20, but. To be honest, I'm slightly nervous about this UFO report. Market could tank potentially because of it, but that's like 1% or less, I hope. Dude, somebody explain to me what's going on with the UFO crap. I don't understand that. I've heard this rumor several times. What the hell? UFO report, aliens coming down? Really? People, what? What the hell is a UFO report? What the hell is this? Don't tell me this is seriously maybe going to tank the market. What is worldwide addressable market for the CMA fish and karyotyping? That's a great question, Jason Smith. That's a question I'd love to answer because I've thought about that so many times. For hours, days, weeks, months, really. The total addressable market for CMA fish and karyotyping. For those ones right there, it is basically it's basically what Eric has been saying. Basically, here, let's pull the quote. So basically, to my knowledge, it's 3 to 3.5 billion-ish, basically. Because when he was talking about the total addressable market, right? So here we go. This is it right here. I think this should be the exact quote. Okay, so in cytogenetics, right? Yes, okay, so I was right. In cytogenetics, there's 2,500 labs, and cytogenetics is what these other next-generation sequencing methods do, right? So karyotyping, CMA, and FISH. That's what these guys do. They're in the cytogenetic labs. There's 2,500 of them, and in this market, two million samples per year being processed, right? That would represent a $3 to $3.5 billion total addressable market based on the cytogenetics. Remember, this is not hospitals. This is not prenatal, non-invasive prenatal testing. This is not healthcare. This is not really diagnostics, really. I mean, kind of diagnostics in cytogenetics, yes. There's diagnostics in cytogenetic labs, but not much, right? We're talking about we're talking about non-invasive prenatal screening for every one Sapphire system for every single hospital. Global Sapphire adoption. This is what we need. So that makes the total addressable market. I mean, you add the healthcare and non-invasive prenatal testing market in, and you're looking at over $10 billion market cap, total addressable market. And please know the definition of the TAM before you go and say, Brandon, you're wrong. Please understand the definitions of those. But yeah, anyways, to answer your question, yes, that's the market apparently. So three to $3.5 billion of the cytogenetics, CMA, FISH, and karyotyping lab. I always forget. Why do I always forget karyotyping? It's the easiest to pronounce. All right, $12 to $20 is a win for BNGO. UFO FUD, yeah. Why is all the media all of a sudden pumping UFO news? Yeah, I haven't even seen it. Let me just go right here if I can see UFO news. News. Yeah, let me just look up UFO reports. I guess there's the link right here. All right, long-awaited Pentagon UFO report could be released as soon as Tuesday. Long-awaited Pentagon UFO report. You got to be kidding me. This is going to tank the markets, really? Really? A report about UFOs? All right. More videos showing unidentified objects that appear to defy the laws of gravity. Funds for the report were contained in the $2.3 trillion coronavirus relief plan. It started the clock ticking on a 180-day countdown for the U.S. intelligence agencies under the direction of the Director of National Intelligence to inform Congress what it knows about the existence of what it describes as unidentified aerial phenomena. Dude, come on, this is, dude. Regardless of if there's UFOs and aliens out there, dude, come on, this tanking the markets, really? Come on, this has got to be a joke here. Yeah, fake news. Yeah, I don't think so. I don't know, man. Marco Rubio asked for an unclassified copy of the report when he was acting chair of the Senate. Last time. Oh, man. I mean, the reason for this tanking the markets is just kind of stupid, you know? I don't know. I mean, if there's UFOs and aliens, I don't know, man. I don't know. Tanking the markets, I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, man. All right. If anything, aliens are bullish. Yeah, that's kind of what I think. It's like, dude, if there's aliens, guess what? If there's aliens and we're all going to die, right? Or whatever happens, dude, let's just pump the markets and have a good last ride, right? That's what a lot of people will think, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's that big of a deal. I don't know. I mean, how many? I mean, what are you gonna say if there's a report that comes out and it's like hinting towards a lot of alien activity, right? What are we gonna do? That means sell our stocks? Like, really? I don't know. That doesn't mean anything for the market necessarily, I feel like, but I guess it's fear, like, oh, aliens are gonna take over the world. But then it's like, dude, come on, this isn't freaking. What's that movie? What's the one good alien movie? There's a lot of good alien movies. There's probably some alien movie nerds in here that probably got offended. Bullish YOLO. Yeah, bullish YOLO. Yeah, UFO aliens are here. Let's pump the market before we die, right? YOLO before we all die, right? Yeah, that's honest. I can see that Wall Street bet post. I can see that. Can you guys see the meme, right? Aliens are coming. Might as well pump the markets. Something like that. I can see that happening. Aliens want to come purchase a Sapphire. Yeah, they do. 8,000 shares at 624, man. 15, 18, 41. I'd like to see it. Microvision up 15%. Are you kidding me? Stop going up so much. Stop it. 700,000 Sapphires is a lot more than Bionano's 10,000 installed base plan. Yes. Yes. What is your point exactly? Mars attacks, lol, by the dip. Alien message to Earthlings by BNGO. Alien DNA genome mapped cures cancer. Thanks to BNGO. That's too good. That's too good. Mars attacks. Is that what it was? Wait a second. Independence Day. I think that's what it was. Mars attacks. No, I don't think that was it. No, I don't think I've seen that. Okay, that's irrelevant. It's not. This is not a movie stream. Independence Day. I want to see. Wait, I want to see if this is the movie that I was thinking of, though. Hold on. Wait, no. Is that the no? Alien movie. I think is it 2016 or 1999 or 1996? I don't know. Which one? I don't know. God, it's too. God, I'm losing so many viewers. Let's just go back. Before we lose all the viewers that are here. 626 new intraday high. Here we go. Let's go. Intraday. We're about to make. We're testing the intraday high right now. Yes. Come on. We need 641 before the close. We need to end the day about up 4 to 5%. End the day above 641. Flipping the bullish super trend to get in that green territory, bullish reversal territory. In 627, we just did a new intraday high. Let's go. 4,000 shares bought at 626. 1,000. There we go. Oh, 8,000 sold at 625. Don't like to see that. Don't like to see that. We're already past, though. We do have a wall at 630. We're going to break that down, though. I want you to tear down these walls. Do you hear me, men? Do you hear me, men and women, boys and girls? We're tearing down these walls. We're going to the moon one way or another. I don't know if it's going to be soon. I don't know if it's going to be this year or not. Yes, I do. Okay, well, I don't know. I don't know anything technically. We're going to moon long term, though. We're going to make a lot of money. I think the investors of Bionano will make a lot of money. But I could be wrong. Do your own research and don't whine to me if we're red. All right, here we go. What are the questions we had? 2 million divided by 365 equals 1,826 sapphires needed for 2 million samples per year. If each 365 days and do optical genome mapping per day. Price action is the ultimate indicator. I disagree. No, I disagree with that. There is not a one ultimate indicator, or else everyone would be a genius. Yeah, no, heck no. I disagree with that part at least. The aliens are pumping BNGO. Yes, BNGO cancer. Aliens genome mapped cure cancer by BNGO encoded message from the alien. Yes, buy. I'm buying. Let's go. All of my shares. Boom, boom, boom. Buy. Place order. Not really. Not really. I'm sorry. That was anticlimactic. I feel sorry now. But yeah, buying now is fine though. Long term, anything under 10 is a steal. The only reason I'm holding, the only reason why I'm not adding right now, I don't have much buying power, and I am damn scared. You better bet your ass I'm damn scared of the freaking. I'm scared of the markets and inflation, right? Also, look at this beautiful drawing that I love. Don't you guys love my drawings when I do this? All right, though, 626 right now. 28K buy, 28K sell wall at 630 right now. We're testing the intraday high still. Oh, 641. Brandon, do you think crypto is going higher or lower? I don't really. I think it should go lower. I'm bullish on it long term, and it's probably likely that it's going to rip back into a bull market and fake everybody out with this 2 or 3 now weekly closes below the 21-day SMA, but on the weekly. But I want it to go lower, and I think it should go lower. Vanguard just bought more shares. You better not be faking with me, son. We already covered this a while ago. You better not be this. Yeah, I think you. Yeah, this is Yeah, there's no new news. We already covered this. But yeah, for anyone who's just getting in now, Vanguard, here's the thing. This is missing. You have to be careful here. This is why you have to read all of it, and you can't just look at one of these columns, right? Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund. That's not as bullish or close to being as bullish as one of these guys investing, because these guys are trying to beat the market. Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, not trying to beat the market. They're trying to have a fund that tracks the total stock market, right? So it's like, well, I like that they're adding, but it's not the best. But we'll take it. Hey, 0.08% increase in institutional ownership, right? So that's good, I guess. Institutional ownership is not the biggest indicator, but a lot of people care about it a lot more than I do. So who knows? Maybe they'll buy more shares now. Who knows, man? All right. Here's something that's very perplexing. I mean, insanely weird for today. All of the markets are up. SPY, Dow, UVXY, not UVXY, well, it is, but NASDAQ and IWM, the Russell 2000, they're all up, yet the VIX and the UVXY Pro shares are both up as well. Those are the fear indexes, and they're going up today. It's like, why? What is going on? It's so weird. 628. New intraday high. Let's go. New higher, daily high, higher highs and higher lows. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. Yes, let's go. All right. No worries, my friend. No worries. Price 100% is the biggest indicator of volume second. I've never seen anyone use a super trend. That's because I'm a madman and I'm a craft man. I use contrarian indicators. No. I disagree. No, I disagree, Levin. I'm not trying to get into disrespectful argument, but no, absolutely not. The price action, the chart patterns, no, absolutely not. The biggest indicator is the fundamentals, my friends. But short term, the technicals, of course. But anyways, all right, institutional ownership is a huge indicator, and funds like T. No, oh my gosh. Okay, stop misconstruing me. Yes, it's a big indicator, but I like inside. Now I'm getting pissed off with this person. Now I'm getting pissed off. I get pissed off so easily. I need to do better on it. But anyways, yeah, institutional ownership. I said, okay, for the people who've been watching the channel for a long time, understand what I mean. Basically, there's two indicators that we look at for fundamental stats like these, right? Or at least I do. In regards to this right here, right? The owners, insiders, and the institutions. Insider ownership is like 1,000 times more important than institutional ownership, in my opinion. Why? Because these guys are damn monkeys. That's why. Okay, they run around and they hit each other's heads on each other's foreheads, right? Not actually, but you get what I mean, right? You get what I mean. Anyways, insiders know what's going on. They know about the sales. They know how it's going. They know the work ethic. They know the moral. They know the leadership. They know all that stuff better than any of us will. Me, you and I, we don't know anything about the company compared to the insiders. I promise you that. So that's why I don't care about institutional ownership as much as inside ownership. If you call me out on something like that and think I'm so damn... never mind. I'm not going to... All right, here we go. Aliens are coming to kill everybody. BNGO, buy BNGO. Now YOLO. That's the headline. Can I do... Hey, what do you call it? Should we do one of our legit... You guys remember the ARC freaking thing? Do you guys remember the... Here, let me go to... Hold on. Buy... Oh, this is gonna take too long for me to type, but it would be funny. Do you guys remember the ARC thing where I said I wrote BNGO in there and their stocks that they added on today? You guys should make a meme. Well, I guess I'm not doing it, so you couldn't, but a meme of me saying aliens quote by BNGO or your guys' jokes. That'd be awesome. That'd be awesome. All right, my alien buddy said from the future just messaged me. He said 771 something, which translates to buy BNGO. Yes, it does. Yeah, that's legit. That is legit. Buy now, boys. Buy now. YOLO in. YOLO in. It's time. Now, really, please do your own research. If you're new here and you're like, dude, what is this guy talking about? How does this guy have any people watching? Well, I don't know how I have any people watching. I still ask myself that question some days. But anyways, but yeah, buy BNGO long term. Anything under 10 is a steal. If we go to the level 2 data here, oh, no. We have 8,000 shares sold at 625. I hate to see it. We need to be buying, not selling. A2, we need to be going up, not down. We got the intraday highs. All right, we've had our cool down. Let's not have a sour hour here. A sour hour is like, no. We don't want a sour hour. We need the high growth sector to keep running. And actually, Bionano's been kind of, let's look at the spark lines here, see if we can compare Bionano to some other stocks. Literally, Bionano is moving almost the exact same trend line as Microvision. Exact same as Myers. That's totally a coincidence. Myers has no volume. Skills, they're all of the high growth stocks are moving most of them are moving pretty similarly today. And that's the same, and that's the same thing with most days, but that's something to keep in mind. Anyway, 626 right now. Am I missing any huge buy orders? By the way, for the people that are watching the time and sales more closely than I am, let me know if I miss a big one. I'll scroll down. Oh shit! Time to take a shot. Yeah, honestly, yep. Kathy Wood talks alien futures. Power hour. Here we go. It could be sour hour, but we'll see. There's no reason why the markets should be down today. So that's kind of why I was so confused when the markets just tanked right out the gate, and when Bionano tanked right out the gate. It just made no sense. And of course, the market's irrational, but obviously, we got what should have happened, which is going green after like crazy good news today. Crazy good news. Oh, 5,000 sold right there. 15, 20, 28, 15, 28, 28 at what? 625. It's not even 5 o'clock. Oh, man. Corona. Victory Corona. Aliens are buying BNGO. News headline. One of you guys, someone who knows how to do this, you should make a blog article, or of anyone who has any article influence. Make an article that says aliens say to buy BNGO or something. Do something. Scroll up and find the alien comments and then use one of those. 28K sell while still at 630. 2,500 just bought. I would love, what I would really like I really want BNGO to post something on their Twitter again. I want them to, not even again, I just want them to post something new. Literally the last week, they only post stuff that's old. I want something new. That's what the investors want. 10K shares bought. Really? I didn't see that. How long ago? At 625, but what tick? Whatever, 10K isn't that big. I mean, it's big, but it's like, you know, it's a fair amount. But yeah, all right, thank you, though. I'll take your word for it, my friend. 625 right now. We've been moving kind of similarly to Nano Dimension, but we've been outperforming them. We've been outperforming them, obviously. Okay, we are at intraday highs. They are not even at the open yet. They're not even at the open value yet. All right, we're fighting an NNDM trying to bounce or flounce. Aliens say to buy BNGO, let's go. Yep, that should be. Should I change the title of this right now? Can you guys give me permission to clickbait? Can I change the title of this stream right now to Aliens say buy BNGO? I want to do that. I tell you guys, I enjoy making the title so much. I'm telling you, I enjoy it too much. All right, Aliens say to buy BNGO. I love it. I love it. Aliens. Arc logic. If one UFO is sighted last week and two this week, draw hyperbolic curve. Conclusion: millions will be sighted per week within a year. Therefore, buy I Love Aliens t-shirt factory. I can see, honestly, that doesn't seem that far off to what Arc would do, especially if Simon is in there. God, Simon is. Do not listen to what Simon says. He is biased. He wants to take your cheap shares, and he has commitments made with Pat Bio probably. Yes, do it. Okay, I have one. I need more than one person saying it though. I really want to though. Can I do that? Can I change the title to Aliens Say Buy BNGO? Please? Can you guys give me permission to change the title to clickbait just this once? Just this once. $624 right now, bleeding a little bit right now, having some selling pressure coming in. I'm gonna look at some indicators here. All right, we're still bullish. We got the bullish flip pretty recently. We're about to get that golden cross between the 55-day moving average and the 200-day EMA on only the 5-minute. Of course, it's only the 5-minute. It doesn't really matter, of course, but short term, something to keep in mind. The aliens just picked up Frodo in the ring. What? Oh man, we're combining stocks, Lord of the Rings, and aliens. I love it. My life is complete. Do it, lol. Okay, that's it. I'm doing it. I swear to God, I was serious when I said I'm doing it right now. BNG alien. Aliens say BNG. Should I do all caps or not? No, I'm not going to. But aliens say, hold on, I just screwed up. Aliens say in new UFO report. UFO report by BNGO. Oh man, and then should I say 100% legit? Yeah, I'm going to. 100% legit. 100% legit. There we go. Aliens say a new UFO report by BNGO. 100% legit. Boom, there we go. How does it look now? Let me refresh it, see how it looks. Make sure you refresh it, and then there you go. It should be there. Yep, there it is. Aliens say a new UFO report by BNGO. 100% legit. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. All right. Only if you invite Alex Jones. Wait, how did you get there? What would aliens revealing themselves mean to the economy, really, unless we're food? Honestly, that's kind of what I said. That's what I said. Thank you all for all your support on the title. I love it. I think it's funny. I think it's awesome. Don't do that. No, too late. We've already done it. Say it since I came up with it, not copyrighted. Do it with Gandalf in the back. Perhaps the BNGO chart can be decompiled into an alien message when played backwards and tuned to a certain frequency. Oh, that's too good, man. That's too good. Is there? Put the link of Marco Rubio through. Robbie's an alien trying to beat down the price to get cheaper shares. Honestly, that's the meme you need. It's too funny, man. It's too funny. We're combining. Even Alex Jones is in the stream. Stop it now. I love it. There's too many good things that we've combined with stocks together. It's too good. All right, looking at the level 2 data and the time in sales. Okay, 5,000, 7,000 ish bought right there. A little bit of selling going on right now. 3,000 bought at 623. I like it. We need to close the day above 641. 641. Just join. What did the aliens say? The alien said buy BNGO, bro. It's totally legit. Yep, it's legit. We're going to the moon now. Aliens, we actually, whoa, okay, yeah, maybe we are going to the moon. Holy crap, 624, 47,000 shares bought, 1534.15 at 620, that's $24. And we go down after. Makes sense. Good job, market manipulators. Good job. You're doing well. You're doing well suppressing the price. They honestly are, though, aren't they? The clickbait is okay with me. Very funny. Come on, it's so good. Come on. We lost viewers. No, we lost viewers off that. What? How do we lose viewers with oh, come on. 8,000 shares just sold. No. Damn, man. Damn, quick scalping going on, maybe? Damn. Wow. Anyways, yeah, aliens are, yep, aliens are buying. Aliens are buying, and yep, right here. This is the article. Not really. I'm messing around. Should I stop? Should I stop being serious? Should I stop joking? Because I feel like people just joined now and think that aliens actually did do this. Yes, let's go aliens. Yep, aliens are in. Time to moon. It's time to moon. Can somebody make a blog article titled BNGO is aliens, like an article with saying what the title is for this? Aliens say a new UFO report by BNGO. The aliens need the sapphire. Yes, they do. When will we reach $7? Depends on when people will get their head out of their arse and do their due diligence. If people knew that we just got two great, very bullish articles predicting the discounted, and they were discounted cash flow models, both projecting to be profitable by at maximum. In my opinion, very conservative estimates, especially with the OPEX, the operating expense compound annual growth rate. 63% and 65% is what Radneros and the Seeking Alpha article did. It's actually going to be 20 to 40% factually by the CFO. So basically, long story short, ape language, we just got a ton of good news. If people did their research and knew about the stock, we would be at $10 right now. I guarantee you we would. But the thing is, we've got manipulation going on. We've got high growth coming in. We've got no YouTube channels or subreddits that are big enough to actually affect the stock price's knowledge or the company's knowledge, right? There's just no one. There's no one big enough in the BNGO community to really make a big effect there. And that's kind of what I'm trying to do here with this community that we have, right? 10,000 shares just bought 624, by the way. So, or is Brandon the alien you're trying to cover up? Plot twist. Depends on when the aliens invest their diamonds into BNGO. We need the apes. We do need the apes. BNGO technology is watched all over the universe tonight after hours. Otherwise, they would think you are nuts. Your title needs to be alien now. Put the link in the description. Very serious UFO watchers here, I guess. If anyone's just getting in here now, I'm sorry if you got clickbaited. It's just funny as hell. So my viewers told me to do it. Blame them, not me. No, seriously, I'm the one that proposed the idea. But yeah, there is actually no technical aliens. There's no actual aliens stated by BNGO, but there's a UFO report, and also BNGO is it is going to moon soon. So that's true. At least it should. I bought 20K worth of BNGO out $12. I see minus 10K balance. You would have averaged down like I did, and you would have been in the green right now, my friend. But I understand not all risk tolerances and goals can permit averaging down in such an aggressive way like me, and making it 100% the portfolio like a madman. And now I am 100% in BNGO, and I'm in it to win it. I'm in, man. I'm in. Yeah, that was cool. Yep. So that I can tell you guys exactly what BNGO will be in 1 year. I need those aliens to give me a time capsule. Yeah, you do. What do you call it? Napoleon Dynamite? You need that time machine they use in Napoleon Dynamite, but an actual real one, right? Love the red days to green days. Yes, I do too. Yeah, opening up red, closing green. So good. So awesome when we do that. And especially when you added shares in the at the $6 range, right? A lot of people added shares in the $6 range. Congratulations to everyone who did that. BNGO looking real good for tomorrow. It'll look really good if we can close above 641, but we'll see. Do you think BNGO needs a social media representative such as a YouTuber to push its growth? It's an amazing company and will probably grow naturally over time. Yes, it does, Tom, and here's why it does. We do need a YouTuber or a social media person to keep up and pump the knowledge of it, because otherwise no one does their research because it's too hard to research. That's why I think this channel has such a great opportunity. Not only do we have great stock, great company here, but there's no way the average person, or there's no way. A lot of people have trouble doing the full due diligence on Bionano. I know a lot of us can relate, myself included. Okay, getting into the tech and the genome space, it's hard. That's why I've got the document. That's why I've got the videos, the playlist. Okay, that's what this channel is for, and that is precisely why we need why we need a representative like that. And I don't care if it's a subreddit or another YouTuber or Twitter, social media, whatever the hell it is. People don't know about the tech, and if they did, and I'm convinced they don't know, because not only are the numbers low, okay, obviously factually, but no one, if the people knew what was to happen, if people knew about the nano nozzle and the revenue projections and the sequencing capabilities and the Sapphire 2.0, the 5 large clinical studies, CFO picking up 25K shares, yada yada, there's 1,000 things that are justifying a $10 stop price right now. Today, $10. I would not be selling a single share if we had $10 because there's manipulation, there's everything. Okay, we do need a social media representative. We do. I'll be that if you permit me. It's up to you guys. If you look at that, 10,000 shares just bought, actually 13,000 more like at 626. Yes, you have me, but let's be honest. The channel is not big enough to make any sort of a difference, and of course it's in myself. I'm biased, and of course my own best interest is to pump the channel and get the channel to be bigger, of course. But I'm pretty sure most of you can realize what we're trying to do here, okay? We have a good cause. We have a moral cause, and I truly believe that. I show you my portfolio every time, right? You guys know the spiel. I'm not going to give you the spiel again. I can if there's a new viewer in here and they don't understand, but whatever. Anyways, tweet Kramer and Mass about BNGO. He was going to have them on Mad Money at one point. Let's brave little sapphires get them on. Let's brave little sapphires, referring to ourselves as sapphires. That's too funny. Oh, 10,000 shares sold. Wow, I see 15,000 shares, really, if you combine those. Damn. What are we going to close at? We have 20 minutes till the close. What are your guys' predictions here? People should not be scared, even if we dip today or the rest of the year. BNGO is going to moon easily with their system, have revolutionary effects for research in anything from a blade of grass. It's true. It's true, but short term, just posted a UFO image on Discord. Boomstick, you're a new viewer. Yeah, that's funny, man. Just in evidence evidence that UFOs are merely Bionano Sapphire 2.0 devices. Oh man. Oh man, that's too funny. Can I make this the thumbnail? Can I make this the thumbnail right now? Guys, I'm gonna make this the new thumbnail of this video if you let me. I'm serious, I will. I seriously will. And no one will understand it, and it'll probably make the click-through rate lower, but I don't care. That's awesome. I'll make that the thumbnail right now if you guys want. Keeping up with the research and dumbing it down for retail is a great service. Several YouTubers do with different specialties. Brandon, Dr. Dean, Mr. Investor, all my top 3. Yeah, that's what the goal is. That's what the goal is. I'm trying to give you the ape language and give it in a quick format, and hopefully I do a good job. You know, I miss things all the time. There's no way anyone can cover everything, I guess, technically, but I try to cover it more than anyone else. That's my goal. What's a bullish close? 641. 641 is the most bullish close we can get. Realistically, I mean, not realistically. Realistically, we can go to freaking 10 today, okay, if people knew what the hell they were doing, but we're not. Anyways, Supertrend on the daily, that's what we need to close above, right? We need to get this bullish flip right here, and that's a buy signal, right? Typically, when you get this, I mean, it predicted the downtrend. If that's your sell signal right there, buy signal was right here. I mean, you've been wrong on that so far, but anyways, that's why I use the daily and the 4-hourly together. So, but anyways, yeah. 641. And if we close above $6, it's bullish nonetheless. And I'm guessing we're going to close above 6. So it's looking bullish nonetheless for the next few days. Here's the thing, guys. Macroscopically, midterm and short term, we're in a bullish. It's bullish. There's no indicator that really points to being bearish, right? Except this oscillator right here. We're about to get a bearish cross here. So at the Bollinger Bands, we have the 21-day SMA 555. That's the support. Moving averages, we're looking good. We're above the 200-day EMA. We confirmed the 21-day exponential moving average as the new support twice now, which this has acted as a perfect level of resistance and a perfect signal as to if you're in bullish or bearish territory. Right when we started the downtrend, we were below. We finally broke above. Does that mean we're in an uptrend now? Not necessarily, but it is evidence for it. It is strong evidence for a new uptrend starting 2 trading days ago. And we are, right now, we got a nice hammer candle. We got 2 hammer candles in a row, basically, not in a row without this one. 2 hammer candles with bullish on the weekly, right? We got cup and handle, big ass cup and handle. We got the fundamentals increasing. The only thing that can screw us over right now is lack of interest in Bionano, which can happen, or the market's dumping because of inflation, which definitely can happen, and I think probably will happen at least a little bit. So it's scary times, but fundamentally, there's no reason to be more heavy in buying power than more heavy in BNGO, in my opinion. But you still need some buying power, okay? Please understand what that means. All right, 625 right now. ARC equals... Nano nozzle confirmed. What? What? Where's Dr. Pepper? He is crying. He's crying. Just subbed. Appreciate the DD and transparency in your position. I thank you so much, my friend. But I need to do that more. I try to be, and here's the thing, a crucial, and I'm not trying to be bragging too much. I'm not trying to stroke my ego or shit, but it is an obligation of mine, I feel, to show you my portfolio when none of your other YouTubers show you. I mean, none of them. Why? Why do they not show your portfolio? Why do they not show you the history? Why? Have you guys ever thought about that? Have you ever thought about that? That's one thing that I started. I started the channel because I hated the other damn stock YouTubers. Literally, no. Now I respect them all. I'm not saying I hate them now, but I hated them, and I thought I could do it way better by not asking for likes and shit and showing the portfolio. That's why we're here today. Anyways, God, I'm sorry. I tried to make that not braggy like, but I did anyway. I'm sorry. I'm still working on the arrogance crap. I'm sorry. Or man-eating aliens, of course. Resistance is the 50 moving average above. Yeah, the 50 day moving average is also going to be the 50 and the 55 are coming up. Yep, that's at what is it, 643. Perfect congruency level with the daily super trend. Yeah, and the 55 is going to be very strong as well. Yep. We got resistance there, but 641 is the first goal. That's the first level that we got to break. This is too good, man. This is too good. I do like. Where's the other one we got in the memes? I'm gonna use this. I'm using this as a thumbnail. No one's gonna understand the references except a couple people. I don't care. I'm using that. That's too good. That's too good of a thumbnail. That's the best thumbnail ever. All right, most of these YouTubers are extremely shady and scammers. I know, and I experienced that. I'm telling you guys, I know. I'm still going on about me. I know, but I'm one of you guys. I swear to God. I mean, you can tell when you watch the damn channel. I'm not a typical YouTuber. I'm not like It's not like a very polished setup that we have. It's very raw. I would say that's probably the right. I take Bears questions live. Who else does that? I know that's just bragging at this point, but it's true. It is true. Anyways, man, what is with these sell walls? I know the damn sell. What is with this 626 now? Whoa. This has got to be manipulation. This is fake. This is no way someone is actually trying to sell 23K shares at 626. I call bullshit on that. I'm calling bullshit on that. Oh, it's because we're barcoding maybe right now. Maybe people are scalping, re-entering right here, potentially, but or not. Damn, though. Yeah, these sell walls, dude. You have to remember, when you have bad stuff going on short term, you have to remember that midterm and long term, this stuff does not matter at all. This stuff does not matter one bit to the actual company's success, right? It's raw. Yep. We are all apes here, but you are an evolved ape. No. Aliens see Bionano as the threshold technology to make first contact. Oh, man. That's too funny. That's too funny, man. Any upcoming catalysts for BNGO? Yes, there's upcoming catalysts. My friend, yes, there are. Okay. If we just go over a few here, the biggest catalyst that we're gonna have is the revenue and the earnings and it's like, wow, that Brandon, that's a catalyst for everyone. No, because Bion it is, but it's more bullish and more like a catalyst for Bionano. But another one that we have that no one knows about or no one talks about: 5 large clinical studies with over 1,000 patients in each of them. We got prenatal, postnatal, leukemia, and lymphomas. And those two are under the branch of hematological malignancies. And then we also have, what was the last one? Oh, God, I'm forgetting. Solid tumors. Yes, yes, that is right? God, I sometimes my brain doesn't work when I've been streaming for a while. But anyways, yeah, we got 5 major clinical studies, and those are going to act as marketing for the company. Those are going to lead sales to go way up. We've already got China Sapphire adoption. We've got Belfast installation. We've got Germany. We've got 1,000 things. We got Sapphire 2.0 prototype coming out this year, this quarter four. Nano nozzle patents, insider ownership. How about more stock 2018 stock unit award insider? Well, I guess that didn't act as a catalyst before, but still, that's going to be big. Insider transactions still bullish. We've got 1,000 things. I'm forgetting a ton of stuff off the top of my head because sometimes I forget stuff. Let me look right here. Okay, acquisition with Illumina / working together. Innovations that have already been confirmed by the CEO that are in the works yet not yet developed. 12 minutes till the close, by the way. FDA approval. There has been some recent talk about FDA approval by some people, which I don't understand how they're getting this stuff. But FDA approval for Bionano seems to be I don't know. There seems to be some speculation going on there. And there's other stuff as well. Sapphire 2.0, nano nozzle sequencing capabilities. Single nucleotide variant detection. That's a catalyst that could be coming. CEO said that's maybe going to happen. There's more stuff. I won't bore you with more of them, but yeah, 627 about to test the intraday high potentially. 627 intraday high is 628. Yes, Yes, that buy wall, that sell wall is gone. The sell wall is gone. 7,131 BNGO shares. Super bullish. Yes, let's go. Where did BNGO is 45% of my portfolio, slowly climbing towards the 50% mark. Hell yes, man. Please know what you're doing, but hell yes. Well done. I say well done to you. Possible FDA. Yeah, there is possible FDA. Compared to other gene editing biotech, BNGO has a really nice relative strength. Relative strength index? Or what do you mean? Like product-wise, market-wise? What do you mean? Right. Did I miss any comments up here? I don't think I did. All right, so talking about some other stocks here. Let's talk about the markets really quick while we're kind of quiet here. IWM is bleeding. A little bit of a sour hour. Well, okay, never mind. Well, I mean, yes, we're going up right now. I guess we're getting a little bit of a power hour. But, yeah, that looks like it would be. Well, okay, so the Russell is getting a sour hour, but the rest of the indices are doing very nicely. That makes, yeah. Yep, Nasdaq's doing well. Well, actually, well, not really. Not really. Yeah, it's still kind of sour hour still. I mean, we're still closing the day as of now lower than where we started power hour. So when is FDA? There's no date on it. I wish there was a date on it, but there's not. There's no date on stamped on BNGO getting FDA approval. Nope. I had no idea I was going to watch this until market close, but alas, here I am. Well, how can you not watch when the aliens say BNGO is going to moon? The aliens took it. Where did the I in BNGO go? The aliens took it. Yeah, they did. That's that. Dude, mystery solved. Mystery solved. Relative strength compared to the price performance of PatBio, CRSP. Ooh, not really. Not really. You like the price resilience from that? I mean, yeah, it's been good, but if you compare it on the last, like, if you compare it like a macroscopic time frame, I think Bionano's probably underperformed most of them. Here, let me check them out. CRSP. Yeah, Bionano's underperformed. Yep. This one is not even a 100%, or this one's not even a 50%. This one's about a 50% decline. Bionano at lows. Actually, you know what? I guess it's about the same. Yeah, I guess that one's about the same. And then PatBio, let's see what this one was. 56. That's about the same. Yeah, it looks like really most of them really got killed the most. Wow, look at that. Freaking went up 555 one day. What the hell? It's weird. Anyways, yeah, 625 right now. Very, very bullish, price action here the rest of the day. I really like how we had the typical pattern, which is literally just shorts taking new positions at the open, pushing it down, covering throughout the rest of the day. I like it. 625 right now. We'll see how we close the day. How much do you think it would go up if FDA got approved? It would probably, honestly, just based on the damn analyst's dumb synthesis about that, I would say it's going to go up quite a fair amount because a lot of people place a lot of value on FDA approval, which I don't think they really should. I mean, I don't know. They kind of should, but not as much as they do. You should place value on FDA approval because diagnostics will be easier to enter, but still not as much as the analysts. Not as much weight as the analysts are pinning to FDA approval. So it would probably go up a lot though. It would probably go up anywhere from 10 to 50%. Maybe more. Probably not more. Just given that no one looks at the news for Bionano, but 98% BNGO, 2% ASXC to play even when BNGO turns bad. I'm telling you guys, I'm doing the Roth IRA is still auditing. Still. I'm telling you, we're going to do short-term trades, and I almost did today. We're going to do more short-term trades in the channel, day trades, swing trades. We're going to do those. But here's the thing. When I do day trades on the live stream here, I only take ones that I'm very confident in. Because I just don't like, I know even if I give the disclaimers, if I take something that's like high risk and not a very good likelihood, that's just not, I just don't think that's smart. So I was like this close to taking CTRM today twice. I did not pull the trigger, and yeah, it's gone. It's gone without me. so yeah. Anyways, yeah, it doesn't really matter. I don't care. I was only gonna do a couple shares anyway, but yeah, we are gonna do that stuff just to spice the streams up and to have a little bit more, I don't know, excitement. 7 minutes till the close. We just had about 15K shares being bought at 625. Very much struggling to push above right there. It looks like it's just very, very, a very sharp kind of condensation of the price action. These last well, about hour. Well, not, yeah, close to hour. Look at that. 48K buy was 625. I would not be surprised if that's a little bit fake. I would not be surprised if that's fake a little bit at least. Man, I mean, it makes sense, but still, like, just given, I don't know. I'm just pessimistic like that. You know, sometimes you just cannot. Sometimes I just don't trust. I mean, almost all the time, I just don't trust the people determining the stop price for Bionano. I don't trust them. 624, significant buy. I'm not really seeing anything. I mean, we saw 6,000. Oh, no. We're seeing selling. We just saw 628 though. Just got to 628. And testing the intraday high right now. Can we get to 641 right before the close? Would that be so awesome if we actually pushed up to 641 right before the close and got the Supertrend flip on the daily? Oh my gosh, we just got a new intraday high. 629, boys. Here we go. We got buys coming in. A little bit of selling pressure. All right, still at 629. Here we go. We got walls at 630. And for some reason, the buy wall that we had like 50K at like 625 or something is now gone completely for some reason. I don't know why. Oh! No. I hate when the red comes in sporadically. It makes me scared. But there's not really many shares being sold right here, so it's all right. We're doing all right. We're fine right now. Let me check the broader market, see what we're doing here. Okay, still doing. Okay, not really doing much. 629 end of day predictions. We got 4.5 minutes till the close. What are y'all thinking for end of day? I'm predicting. God, I don't even know. It's just a straight gamble. I'm gonna predict above 629. I don't know. That's just total guess. That's just a total guess. There's no reasoning behind that. I was there, jumped up. It was there, jumped up. 628. 628. Walls at 627, 626, 543. But we have a 31K sell wall at 630. Who is selling? Who is doing that? No one. But it's fake wall. Fake wall, potentially. I think it might be a fake wall, at least. Would not be surprised if this is a fake wall. Oh, man. This is the most uneventful, most exciting part of my life. It's boring, but it's also awesome at the same time. Microvision is bleeding right now at the close. It looks like high growth is going to have a really strong finish to the day, though, honestly, which is very bullish for tomorrow, of course. And as it should be. We don't have any economic counter events really to scare the markets tomorrow, but of course, inflation worries, okay? That's just what it is at the end of the day. I haven't checked bond yields in a while, but no one cares about bond yields anymore, I guess. 629. I'm nervous. What do you guys think? 634. 630. New intraday high, boys. $5,000 shares just bought at what was that? 630. Come on, we got to push this. 630 wall is getting eaten up right now. Oh, we're about to break it. Come on. We broke a 50K buy wall. Oh, there it is. 631. There we go, baby. Oh, a lot of selling coming in, though, but we broke the 630 wall. Hell yes, we're about to push higher. I wouldn't be surprised. Look at that. This is bull. There is no way someone is actually selling 70K shares at 631. That is absolute bull. The bears and manipulators are determined not to let us close above that damn super trend at 641. We are going to do it with or without them, I swear to God. We are pushing above. I don't know when. We are going to screw them over in the long term, though. There's no doubt in my mind. God damn these dude, I wouldn't be surprised this is damn hedges right here. Hedges use dart pools sometimes, but damn, who is in the right mind is selling 80K shares and 150,000 shares to be sold at 631 and 32? Really? You think that's retail investors? You think that's whales? No. That's the suits and the damn weenie babies want us to close. They want to spread the damn FUD. That's what's going on here. We got 1 minute till the close. Oh, man. Literally, they are doing everything they can. They are doing everything they can to suppress this damn price. I swear to God. I mean, that's not proof. I know it's not proof. It's like, wow, Brandon, that's not proof. I know, it's not proof. It's just, who in the right mind? I don't know. I think there's still manipulation going on here. I really do. 4,000 bought, 629. A lot of buying coming in. God, man, come on. When are these? Dude, literally, this is all they have to do. They just put these walls up. They just act like they're going to sell shares, and then they just don't. And they don't even have to switch them. They just leave them there because we're not even. The retail investors are too scared by that. They don't think there's a chance we're going to break them. They don't think there's a chance that they're fake. Oh, it'd be so good if we broke through right now and just sporadically moved up right to 641. That would be so sick. Buying is coming in. At 629. Oh, look at those look at that green. Look at that green right there. Oh, no. Okay, we just had like 15. We just had like 20,000 shares sold right there. Now buying is coming back in. 631, 630. Oh, this is bull. There is no way. There's no way. This is shit. This is absolute shit. This is literally not real. This is a fake wall. I swear to God, this is a fake wall. We're about to tear this thing down. The hedges are about to give up right now. They know they know some people are watching this shit right now and wondering what the hell is that. None of these orders are getting filled. There we go. 632 intraday high, baby. Let's go. 30 seconds now. 30 seconds now to the close. We need to close about 641 preferably, but that's a long way away. Up 2.5% right now. Markets are doing pretty. It looks like high growth is doing pretty well right now, but I can't. Our eyes have to stay glued here. 15 seconds till the close. 87K shares sold at 632. Really? No. That is shit. That's not a real wall. That is not a real wall. There's no way. God damn, I hate these damn hedges. 4, 3, 2, 1, 632. Close at 632 on the day. God damn, I hate these. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Do you guys think those are hedges right there? I think those are hedges right there. There's no way. About 50K shares picked up right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Look at that right after the close. Right after 1600. Or 1600. Look at that. 32K shares bought all at 632. Is this the MSCI index right here that we talked about on the weekend? Is this the MSCI weekend? Or small cap index. Adding shares at the close. So let's calculate these, okay? Let's calculate these. All right, just stay with me here. This is gonna be a little bit boring, but I want to know how many shares exactly were added right at the close, and also we're gonna talk about these damn shares. What do you guys? While I am gonna count these up, what do you guys think about the damn fake walls? I think they're fake walls. Look at this. Okay, the bears are literally just showing off. They're literally just trying to show fear and spread the FUD. There's no other explanation. Okay, we're not gonna hit 650 in the after hours unless some news drops. Why do you have your sell orders at 650 unless you're trying to scare everybody? These are just shorts playing their game, trying to scare everybody and trying to make the FUD seep into the damn paper hands. That's literally all we have right here. Anyways, let's look at this. Oh, wow, 70K shares. That might be 70K shares sold right there. I don't like to see that. Anyways, let's calculate these. 13,000. Okay, so 15,000, 17, 13. Okay, 30,000, 35,000-ish, 40, 45, 45, 75, 70, 75, 80, 85, I think, ish. So near 100,000 shares. So about 100,000 shares. So I would say, yeah, around 70 to 100K shares easily. Definitely in that range, added right at the close. Right at the 16, from like 1559.56 to 160002, I would say. 1600 right after the close, I would say. About almost close to 100K if you add up all those, I bet. So everyone set your sell limit orders to $400 per share. Should we do that? Does it even show? I don't think it will, though. I don't think it will. I mean, I guess I can. I mean, I don't know. Well, hold on. Before we do that, you know what? We can't do that to be fun. If y'all want to do that, I will. But hold on. What do you guys think about that crazy fake wall? How have the fake walls been getting larger over time, rising desperation? Yes, they have. Yes, they have. They have absolutely been getting larger over time, which is one reason why I think they're just fake, right? There's not really been much of a volume spike besides right at the close here, which is normal, essentially. The walls keep getting bigger. Okay, literally, you guys have been watching the stream. I know a lot of you watched the stream today. Literally, there has never been a wall of today that I have seen that was 100K or more, or even like 70K or more. At the close, it just happens that we have one 170K wall of sell wall and a 111K sell wall right there. No. There's no way a whale or an institution is going to sell at basically the same price that we opened up today. They just decide out of the blue, yeah, it's a good time to sell. No, that's not. I think that's unrealistic. I think that's fanciful. The more realistic, the realistic explanation there is that I think there's two options here. Number one, shorts and whales and institutions that are bearish. They're trying to scare people. Or number two, damn market manipulators, market makers are doing it again. They're back at it again and they're not done. They're still, I know 99% chance in my mind that they are still suppressing the stock. It's not from synthetic shares necessarily, from the FTDs, the failure to delivers, right? We've already went over the short interest data to the 30th though. Remember, the short interest data that we get for Bionano, the failure to delivers here, This is one of the most interesting things on the entire short interest data that I am intrigued in. This is only till the 29th. We don't know what the failures to deliver are right now. They could easily be influencing the supply of the shares of Bionano by putting out IOUs, which is basically a failure to deliver, right? If you can't give someone the actual share, your broker gives you an IOU to make sure the system doesn't collapse. But if they do too many of those, the system will collapse. And when they do that on purpose, it increases the supply. In turn, lower the demand, higher the supply, stock price goes down, right? The more supply there is, the lower we go. And it's actually more bullish for us if they were manipulating the stock price short term and there were a ton of failure to deliver, like millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions even of failures to deliver, because that would be synthetic shares, fake shares that they have created literally in attempts to intentionally, artificially suppress the stock price. That could easily be happening. And I say this because look at the date. And the short interest data on FinTel, of course, this could be totally wrong. And on the April 29th, they could easily, FinTel could be getting paid off by some damn hedges. Are you kidding me? Easily. And they could be reporting false data here. But from what we know, there's nothing here right now for me to say for sure if there's manipulation. But still, I think manipulation. I mean, you guys already know my reasoning on manipulation. Okay, there's no reason why we are as low as we are right now with the damn catalyst that we have. There's no reason why the price action never reacts to good news except manipulation. That's me though. That's my opinion. It's not the manipulation in Bionano Genomics. It's not as clear as AMC or GameStop, but it's still clear. It's still there. It doesn't take a genius to figure out that, hey, this price action is weird. Why are we going down the day after earnings beat after quarter four, right? Is it because high growth is going down? Why? No, here's the better question, actually. Forget the quarter four. Why has Bionano gone down more than most high growth stocks when the fundamental increases in Bionano are more than every other high growth stock? Why have we gone down more than all of them if the fundamentals have gotten that much better? Is it really because the tech is that hard to understand? Yes, it's hard to understand, but the fundamentals are pretty easy to see. We've got two revenue beats. We've got catalysts coming in left and right. We got nano nozzle possibilities and patents. We've got patents directly relating to the nano nozzle. May 20th patent, nano nozzle sequencing capabilities, literally mentioned the exact same technology mentioned in several nano nozzle patents. Zero price reaction. How do you explain that? How do you explain this? Market manipulation is an easiest. That's the most obvious answer for me. I think that's the most obvious answer. And I've had a couple of videos on this. Maybe we can do it. You know what? If we can, it's been manipulated this whole year. Yes, it has. Well, yeah. Well. It's been manipulated a lot. That's damn sure. I don't know exactly where, and I'm not trying to be that guy on YouTube that's like, manipulation. It's time to pump it to the moon. Let's go. Let's fight the manipulators. I mean, you guys make your own decisions. Manipulation. It's really hard to prove manipulation, but I think it's clear that manipulation is likely to have happened and likely is happening right now. So I'm glad a lot of you agree with me because I think we have a good case. I think this is why, and here's the reason why it's so horrible to manipulate Bionano, right? In order to revolutionize healthcare and give higher life expectancy and better life quality to everybody, right? The higher the stock price is, the more auspicious that opportunity is for them. These hedges know what they're doing. They know that Bionano is going to change diagnostics and non-invasive prenatal screening is going to help improve every baby's life that has that non-invasive prenatal screening test. They know that it's for a good cause. They don't care. They want to make money. They're taking advantage of the esoteric technology of optical genome mapping, I think. I mean, it makes perfect sense. Does that make perfect sense? I feel like it does. It's an easy money grab opportunity for them. A lot of them don't care. And of course, I'm not going to be that guy that says all rich people are bad or even most people are rich or bad or, the top 1% is like killing everybody. I want to be clear. Some of the hedges, some of them are absolutely corrupt. Some of them absolutely manipulating the stock price. Not all of them, though, of course. Okay, I'm not about to say all of one group is horrible. Okay, I'm not about to be that person. Anyways, yeah, that's kind of, let me refresh to see if there's any news. Okay, now I need to drink water and take a breath real quick because my stomach hurts from ranting so long. Hold on a second. Oh, man. What do you guys think? Institution. What, 139 institutions now. Is that different? Is that different? The percentage, the shares is the same. The share percentage is the exact same. There's no new filings. Is that new? That's not new. You got me way too excited. You got me way too excited there, man. Hey, what is the name of the video of the Lord of the Rings BNGO parody you made? Fellowship of the Sapphire. I'm gonna link that in the description or in the pinned comment right now. I should go ahead. Here, let me just look it up. Here, let me just. It's the first thing I have here. Fellowship of the Sapphire. This is it right here. Let me go ahead and put it right here. Yep, that's it. Wonderful job today. It was fun. I'm out, Fellowship. All right, my friend Troy. Feel free to get out of here now. I don't think there's any crazy news that we're missing. Let me know before you guys leave, my OGs. Is there any news that I'm missing in the chat here? Is there any news? Can you open it? I do. I already do. I already do have a Fintel Premium. I already do. I already have Fintel Premium, my friend. I'm already logged in. Look, log out. I'm in. I have all the information. Look at this. Okay, you don't. If you don't have Premium Fintel, you can't see all this info. I have all of them. And here's one thing. By the way, while we're here, let me show you guys something. Okay, let me just look at one of these that seems interesting. Okay, here, let me do it right here. These guys right here, they have 2.5 million shares. They got a lot of money in this. The pattern that I'm recognizing here is that over time, people just keep adding more shares. And right now, in this one, it looks like it's not exactly a perfect correlation, right? They go down, they go up, they go down. They just added, they now have 2.5 million shares. Do you know why? Because they realize it's a damn steal, man. They realize it's a steal. The fundamental value increase of the company since February 16th, since 1569, it's undeniable. You can't, it's not a negligible fact. You know, it's a very telling fact. I don't know. After hours is dropping a bit, but to be expected. Yeah, it's to be expected when we have a run like that. Yeah, BNGO likes to dip a little bit after hours. After we go green, like every single time. But I do really like the volume side. Look at that freaking beautiful volume right there again. And of course, I don't even think. Look at the. This is why we must pump the channel. This is at this point the only this is BNGO right here. This is us right here, the top one. Our 3-month average volume is 24 million. We did not even get 20 million today, even with that big boost at the close. No one cares about BNGO, guys. No one cares about it, and that gets me pissed off because they're just missing out on the opportunity. They're missing out on a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity in my mind. They really are. And even if they do, I don't care if they invest right off the top. I just want them to know that if once this gets to your price target or once this gets to your load up zone, whether that's $6, $5, I mean, hell, if inflation hits, we're going to see $5 again. But I want people to know about the stock because right now there's no one that knows about it. Otherwise, the volume will be much higher because this company, once you know about the company, there's no reason why you wouldn't at least be trading it, if not entering a long-term position in it like I am. So yeah, feel free to get out of here now. This is just closing thoughts. We're going to end the stream here pretty soon. Definitely 30 minutes max. 30 minutes max because I have a premiere coming out about me buying 10,000 more BNGO shares. I love that. The video is going to be funny, man. Oh, I hope you guys like it. It's a weird one. I'm kind of nervous about it, but we'll see how you guys like it. I hope you like it. Yeah, but it's premiering at 3:45 Central Time, so 30 minutes-ish. They will, Brandon. Your DD will be seen by many. That sounds funny. Yeah, I agree, though. I agree. The longer nobody knows, the longer we can load. That's exactly true. That's exactly true, man. Bro, can I add a heavy guitar music to your video? Dude, I need to add. I have so many riffs that I love, so many metal songs, so many, not metal songs. I know no one likes metal, but the metal riffs that a lot of people would like, but I never have time to record them. And it's also really hard to record. At least I suck at recording them because I'm a perfectionist and it's like a little bit off and then I redo it. And I end up recording stuff for like 3 hours and I get like one good thing. And I know the audio sucks of the current guitar intro, and I'm going to fix that eventually, but yeah. I mean, sure, I guess you can send me it. I don't know. I'm probably not going to use it. I'm going to be honest with you just because I only use my own music, I guess. I don't know. You like metal? What bands do you like? You like Killswitch Engage? That's my favorite band, I guess. I would say probably. All right, you got to believe that other institutions are going to copycat Vanguard. Yeah, they probably will. And here's the thing, institutional ownership. Here's one thing that I want everyone to be aware of. If the institutional ownership starts decreasing, don't freak out. Okay? These numbers are like literally a quarter late always. You have to keep that in mind. They're always guaranteed to be at least 1 quarter late because the institutions and their transactions, they're not required to file them to Fintel or to anyone until after 45 days after the current quarter, the transaction of the quarter's date has ended, right? So the 45 days after the end of the quarter that the transaction was in. So yeah, NPR, my friend. I'll see you later, my friend. Yes, anything under my average right now is a blessing. Yes, it is. Yes, I agree. Thank you, Moreno. Moreno? I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm sorry. I'm so bad. I'm even worse than like the school teachers that like squint down at it and can't pronounce stuff. I can't. Back from dentist. Not sure if my drooling is from it or the BNGO spike power hour Vanguard loading up some more. I know. I love it. It's really great. It was a great day, man. It really was. It's such a nice thing when you actually have such a horrible start of the day and then it just consistently gets better. And of course, long term it doesn't matter, but for me it sucks when Bionano's down short term just because I get, the channel suffers because of it. But I understand the risk, right? I'm not complaining, but it was a great day and we had a huge spike in volume. Huge, by about 70. Somebody said 70K. I thought it was more like close to like 80 to 90 to 100K by shares bought at the close. Look at this right here. 32,000 shares being bought right there. A ton in there. Man, beautiful. Beautiful green volume right there. All right, Mike. All right, my friend. I'll see you later. Bro, I got $500. You think it is good if I go for BNGO? Oh, please be careful please be careful if you have $500 willing to invest. Here's the thing. You need to do your own research. I'm not going to tell you if this is a good investment for you or not, but what I will tell you is that you need to watch, and I know this is a lot of work, I know, but if you want to know what you're doing, if you want to be successful, one way you can easily do that, in my opinion, is that you can go to my channel. I know it's like, dude, you just want to get more views. It's true. Of course I want to get more views. Of course I'm biased, but at least I admit it, right? This is what you want to do, though. Or actually, I'll just drop this link. This link is actually in the description, right? The link to the BNGO Full DD 104-page document and why I'm so bullish on BNGO. You need to understand why you're investing in Bionano. You don't want to be that guy that just invests in it because someone else said. Otherwise, you're going to sell low and then you're going to buy high. I promise you that is very likely to happen, especially if you're a beginner. So I recommend you learn about the company, and then if you think it's bullish, and then and then if you like it, anything under 10 is a steal. But please, if you're going to buy now, understand the risks with inflation coming up the next few months. So, all right, Havana, thank you so much, my friend. I'll see you later. All right, we're getting out of here. Yeah, we're getting out of here. I got to have time to do videos later. We're not going to have time to do any videos later today. So, all right, guys, last minute questions. All right, my friends. Yeah, last minute questions, then we're out. Last minute questions. I'm going to give you one more chance. If there's any dying questions, then we're out. Anything, any bearish comments, anything. Here, I'll give you this, the Fellowship of the Sapphire meme, that video that I did right there. And then, yeah, stream, market open tomorrow. Or if there's any crazy news, right? If there's any crazy thing, we can do one of the similar ARC. Does anyone remember the ARC stream that we did a week ago? Man, it's too funny. It's too funny. We were trying to see if ARC was invested in Bionano, and we kept refreshing the freaking page. It was too funny. They didn't invest, but it was still really funny. It was actually a good time. Right. The White Gandalf has revived from the deep hell. BNGO to the moon. Yes. Tomorrow, $3. Wait, what? No. Do we have another bear here? Is this another Robbie account? Is that a joke? All right, we're getting out of here. I don't think there's any other questions. Buying zone, that's up for you to decide. Right now is a great long-term buying zone, but you have to know what you're doing if you're going to buy in right now. There's a serious risk, serious contingencies for Bionano going up in the next few days, next few weeks, if you're going to buy in right now. So please know what you're doing. Okay, Tom. All right, I understand. All right, I thought you were kidding, but I wasn't sure. Tomorrow, $7. If the Nasdaq, if inflation staves off, and let's just say, hey, who knows? Hey, maybe the Fed is going to be right. I side with the other side more on this, but with the inflation thing, hey, maybe inflation is not going to be that bad. Maybe the markets are going to see February 16th levels within 3 months. If that happens, are you kidding me? BNGO is going to 7, 8. I wouldn't be surprised if we hit all-time highs if that happens. I'm serious. I'm serious when I say that. And that sounds a little bit crazy, but I would not be surprised at all. And the reason for that is the fundamental increase in the value of the company. Anyways, thank y'all so much, man. Can I recommend then, as you're closing out, then song. Today when BNGO was under 570, I said I was walking my dog as we listened to Bob Marley, Three Little Birds, Don't Worry About a Thing. Oh man, that's a good. That's good. I'm a metalhead, and I that's cool. I like the recommendation, Jameson. I appreciate that. I will consider that. I'll consider that, my friend. Inflation will help small cap stocks. I don't think so. If you actually look at the historical, yeah, I'm not going to pull it up right now, but if you look at the historical charts, pretty much every stock gets hurt when the inflation comes in, and that's because when inflation comes in, the revenue of every company you're invested in goes down because the value of the money they make goes down fundamentally, and there's some more in there. But anyways. All right, man. Thank y'all so much. We got to get out of here. All right, guys. Thank you so much, man. We're out of here. Look out for the videos later today, and we have a premiere. Here, I'll go ahead and give last thing. Look at this freaking thumbnail, by the way. That's awesome. Let me get the let me link the premiere video, the premiered video right now in the chat right here. I hope you guys like this one. I'm kind of worried, but I think you guys will enjoy this. There you go. So yeah, all right, man. Thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. I will see y'all in the next one.